What happened? You go out? Let's go. Let's go. Hey, who you got? Chico? Hey. Chico, look here. Hey. Chico, what are you doing? Let's go. Chico, Chase, Chico, look here. Chico, Chico, Chico. Come, Chico. Chico. Chase. Chico. Chico and Chase. Chico, what are you eating? Hibiscus? Let me get it. What happened? Hungry? You want treat? You hungry or you want treat? You hungry? Chase? You hungry? You guys hungry? Yes? Or you want food or you want treat? You want food or treat? Huh? Food or treat? Let's go get treat. Let's go. Let's go. Chase, get it. Let me get it. Chico. Let me get it. Chase.
There's blood. We're gonna need Robbie Island PD to come do crime scene.
Oh, God. Okay. We'll have them coming through the service entrance. And can I just suggest that you two slip into something?
You finished so fast, huh?
Cut off the hand, ran out of the vault with it, and the close to keep it warm.
What's close?
The close, the thing, the thing with the blood in it.
That floor plans you demanded.
Do we know who knew Blaine was gonna be at the hotel? Lance did. Lance, where were you around midnight last night?
I was on Zoom with Som Chai, my Thai language instructor. I'm trying to get a job in Phuket.
Okay, we'll check on that. We know the victim was a luxury diamond dealer who was selling to Mark St. James. Now, everyone in his entourage would have known he was here, but they refused to answer any questions about a subpoena, so
And that's just
You finish your one.
Hoffman was such a dog.
You finish your one.
The style
That's
he
it. No more.
and Cynthia, his dog,
Chase is still eating.
that's Klaus,
No
his
more.
dog.